Welcome to another DIY video. Before calling the professional, maybe it's DIYable. This time, we are talking about how to extend your asphalt driveway using the amazing product called Aquaphalt. I have another video showing you how to repair the depression and fix it like a pro. You need to check it out if you missed that. I will post the link in the description. This time, we are not using a gas plate compactor. We are using another DIY friendly product called HPB High Performance Padding. We can complete this project over one weekend. Finally, I will show you how to create a smooth finish. Sounds exciting, isn't it? Let's get started. When we bought the house, from the very beginning, the two sections of the driveway don't align. With the walkway in between, we are going to put a spike and use a twine to determine how much we are going to extend. That's the area shared with my neighbor. We installed river stones a couple of years ago, so we don't have to maintain the grass. Now I have to take some of them out, put the landscape fabric aside, we can start digging. I am using this trench digging tool. It's perfect for this project. You may ask, how deep are we going to dig? For this particular case, I am not digging very deep. Then you compact it using the river stone. Because it's on the edge, there is no traffic on it. If there is traffic, you need a solid base of 12 to 14 inches. Now, if there is only human walking on it, 6 to 8 inches is totally fine. About 8 years ago, I did a walkway for my front yard. There is no problem at all with 6 to 8 inches base. If you are interested in that project, I will post the link in the description. The DIY friendly product is called HPB High Performance Padding. It's 95% self-compact. You don't need a plate compactor. It's pretty amazing. That's HPB. It's 3/8 of an inch limestone chips with sharp edges. There is no fines and has been washed clean. This allows water to drain. HPB needs to be 100% contained, and you need to use good quality geotextile at the bottom, or your project will fail. Don't get mixed up with landscape fabric for garden and professional geotextile. One is designed to block weeds, and the other one is for erosion control. High performance padding is a DIY friendly product. You can get it from your local landscaping supplier, or even some Home Depot carries that too. HPB is 95% self-compact. All you need to do is to step on it with your shoes. That's the bucket of Aquaphalt 6.0. Believe it or not, I took a photo of the flyers 2 years ago when it was first introduced to Canada. Now it's $20 more expensive. Unbelievable. After you open it, you should be able to get the material out very easily. If the bucket has expired, it may be hard like a rock. You need to go back to the hardware store and exchange for another one. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Put it on top of HPB directly is totally okay. I think you got the idea. This is the most amazing part about this product. Aquaphalt hardens like a rock in just 15 minutes after you add water to it. According to the instructions, you don't have to worry about adding too much water. It won't affect the performance. Use a hand tamper to compact the material. This part is extremely important too. After finishing the top, we need to do it from the side. We want to make it look professional. Make sure you use some force to push the material from the side. If you have done it properly, it should look like this. It has a very nice edge. After 15 minutes, it's hard like a rock, but still a little bit sticky. We will give it some time to dry. I can tell you, there's no other coat patch product can even come close to this. The only material that can compare to this is hot asphalt. This product is amazing for DIY people. I have some leftover. It's not a bad idea to fix the other corner, because there was a big chunk of asphalt just came off after the winter. Look, that is huge. Aquaphalt 6.0 is very strong because it has large granule. The problem is that it will make the surface look rough. It's not smooth. I am going to show you how to fix the surface to make it smooth. Then we blend in with the existing driveway by feathering off the edges. We will be using two different products. The first product we are going to use is called Speed Patch from Blacktop. It says it dries in 1 hour. Notice that this is the sand-based product. When you open the container, it's very watery. You have to spend some time mixing it. Look, it's pretty obvious it's sand-based. You do need this product to fix the surface. The sand will filter all the imperfections. Look at this, the surface will be very smooth once we finish it. Because this product is sand-based, you will have a very bad transition if you put a lot on the edge. You want to put minimum on the edge as possible. That's good enough, we will come back to this. Finish the rest of it and wait for it to dry, yes, 1 hour. Now it's dried. You can see the surface is pretty smooth, but the edge looks a little bit ugly. We are going to use another product from Rust-Oleum called Epoxyshield Depression Filler and Leveler. This product is urethane fortified. You can make a very good transition. The trick here is to apply this product on the edge with one single light coat, feathering the edge as you go along. If you follow what I did, this will give you a very good transition. Look, that's the DIY quality I am talking about. Continue to finish the rest of that. You can tell it's looking pretty good. This Epoxyshield product, you have to wait for it to dry overnight. The next day, apply the driveway sealer using a roller. I am using a roller on all the perimeter. I don't recommend using a roller for the whole driveway. It's way too slow, and it doesn't look professional enough. Use the squeegee to do the rest of the driveway. There are several tips to avoid having 50 shades of black when you're using the driveway squeegee. You want to go from left to right and then right to left in one single pass without stopping in the middle. The biggest mistake for most DIY people is to start painting the driveway in the afternoon. You need to wake up very early in the morning at 6 a.m. because when the sun comes out, the driveway sealer will dry too quickly, making it very hard to flow. The other mistake I have seen is that some of my neighbors just applied one single coat and call it the day. Nope, you need to always apply 2 coats. That was before and that is after. Whoa, that's a huge difference. Even the raccoons came to check it out a day after. Amazing. Let's take a look at the extended part of the driveway. You can hardly tell there is an extension. If that's not a successful DIY project, I am not sure what else is. Technically speaking, you can use Aquaphalt to build a walkway or even a driveway if money is not a concern. I hope this video gives you some good information. Give this a thumbs up if you like it. My goal is to inspire more people into DIY. You may also want to check out other videos on my channel. I am pretty sure you will love them. Remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you next time.